Tomorrow I'm going to Phoenix, Arizona to spend the weekend at the Grand Canyon National Park and hiking around Sedona. I'm so excited. No, this is not going to be a solo trip. If you guys saw my video from a few months ago, I went to Utah to go to Zion National Park. My first trip alone. It was amazing just to kind of like disconnect, go hiking, be in the mountains by myself. But this weekend I am going with other people. So behind me is a whole mess. I'm going to show you guys kind of like what I'm packing, and I will try to link as much as possible down below. No promises, but here's essentially what I do to pack. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit, not in. Okay, so let me get back in frame. I am notorious for waiting until last minute to pack. Today is Thursday. I'm leaving tomorrow night. I have over 24 hours until I'm actually leaving, but I'm trying to not be a last minute person. So here is how I like to pack. Oh, I dropped something. So I like to be able to see everything, and I like to kind of have it all laid out. So I'm only going to be bringing a carry-on, which is this baby right here, and then also a personal item with me. I'm only going for 3 days, so this is probably way too much. I always overpack, but let me just show you guys what I am bringing. So also, I was expecting it to be like 110, 115 degrees in Arizona, but actually, according to my Apple weather app, this weekend it might rain and the high is only going to be 91. So I'm so happy that I don't have to endure like 110 degree weather, because I'm from Texas, but 110, 115, those are numbers that we don't see here. So here is what I am bringing with me. Let me just go through and kind of show you guys. And yes, I am way overpacking, but I'd rather be prepared than get there and like regret not bringing something. Okay, so I'm bringing a bunch of different, like, these are actually kind of sports bras, but more just like croppy tank top things to hike in. So I have these two in 2 different colors. These are from, all these are from Target, and then I have like this little croppy and then this one right here just to have options. Okay, and then next to that I have my Fabletics biker shorts. These are like literally the only thing I run in, and I like that they have pockets, so if I want to like have my phone in my pocket and quickly like snatch it out to like take a video or something, has that. It's also high-waisted to keep the tummy snatched, so I'm bringing 2 pairs of those. And then also sometimes when you're hiking, it's better to wear like long pants in case you're like walking through brush or things like that. So I am going to be bringing, these are also Fabletics. These are like capri length pocket tights, and then the exact same ones, but these are like full length all the way down, and you guessed it, they have pockets. I have a lot of black. I actually might throw in a colored pair. Let me look in my drawer. Okay, so I'm going to throw in just another pair of those same Fabletics pocket leggings. These are full length, a blue pair, just because I'm bringing a lot of black bottoms, and black attracts the sun, attracts the heat. Okay, moving over here. Okay, so I'm bringing this like lightweight Adidas jacket because sometimes, like, not sometimes, when you're hiking, it's not good to like have your skin exposed to the sun. So I could have on like a cute little like croppy top or sports bra and then put this over it to protect my skin. This is like super lightweight, so it's not going to be like wearing like a winter jacket. And then I'm bringing, this one is more heavyweight. I'm not sure if I'll even wear it, but just in case, this is like a windbreaker rain jacket. It has tons of pockets. This is from Columbia. I took this with me to Utah, but it was a lot cooler. But just in case, you never know, it might start raining, so I'm going to bring this. Okay, I changed the angle because it was kind of weird. So over here, I have like 2 just like normal outfits. So this is just like a little t-shirt crop top with denim shorts, and then I have like a black tank top bodysuit with just some regular like mom jeans in case we go to dinner or just do something more casual. Swimsuit just in case, don't know if I'll use it, but just wanted to bring it. And then, oh, I have my going home on the plane outfit. So I love just wearing like leggings and just a t-shirt. I don't dress cute to the airport. Comfy is always the way to go. So these are also from Target, and I'll show you guys later. I also like to prepare my airport outfit to go there, and so I have 2 pairs of these gray leggings that I'm going to wear there and back. No, I'm not wearing the same pair of leggings on the plane. I have a couple of sports bras. These are all from Walmart, so these are from the Avia line. I think they're like $10. They get the job done. I don't really care about name brand at this point anymore, so I'm bringing 3 different sports bras and then 3 bralettes. Just, again, I'm going for 3 days. I'm clearly overpacking, but just to make sure I don't like run out of something. And I honestly, for the past several years, have only worn bralettes. Like, what is a real bra? I don't know. These are $5 from Forever 21. Search padded seamless bralette. I get these in every color, and every couple of months I just throw them away, get new ones, and these are all I wear. Okay, here I have like a sleeping outfit slash just an extra like t-shirt and shorts. Pretty basic t-shirt and shorts. And then I have like all of my like socks and underwear laid out. For socks, since I'm hiking, and I am going to show you guys my hiking boots in just a second, I made sure to bring long socks. So you want to have long socks. I probably could even find ones longer than these, but these are just like Fruit of the Loom, like kind of like ankle socks. Okay, and I have this like cooling towel that my cousin gave me to stay cool while hiking. Actually these are going in my carry-on. Let me put those in the side. And then this is my brand new hiking bag. So let me show you guys my shoes, and then I will talk more about this new hiking bag and why I got this one. Okay, so in April when I went to Utah, that was my first hiking trip, and I made the huge mistake of not bringing a hiking backpack. So I wore a regular backpack which did not have the proper support. My back was killing me. My shoulders were killing me from the straps. It was just terrible. Obviously I was fine, but like not having like that like support was really kind of hindering my hikes. So I got this one from Amazon. This is from the brand T Sports. It's the Oasis 1100. Honestly, it's smaller than I thought it was, but I feel like it's a good size. I might end up buying a bigger one for different trips, but this one has the like around your body straps that you really need for support, because I promise you your back is going to kill you if you're hiking in just like a regular backpack. So it has these ones to like strap around your chest, and then does it have other straps? Oh yeah, they're behind me. Okay, so it has straps that go around your chest and then around like your torso. Oh my gosh, look at the support. Okay, I'm super happy about this because I can just feel that my back is going to thank me. Something else about this bag, it also has these like, let me see, these like back supports, and they're mesh, so if you're sweating it's like breathable. Another thing that really made me get this bag is that it came with a water bladder, or like a water pack, whatever you want to call it. And so having enough water while hiking is super crucial. I am going to bring a big like 40-ounce water bottle, but this is like hands-free. And so this is, I think it's 2 liters I want to say. And so you fill this up with water, and then you fill it up with water, stick it in here, zip it up, and there's actually holes. So there's holes on both sides. So like sticking out of this like shoulder strap, you'll have your little drinking tube so that you don't have to like reach and get your water bottle, and it's just a lot more hands-free. Other than that, there's lots of pockets and stuff, and the inside is like nylon, so if you spill water or spill something, you can just wipe it up. So yeah, this is the hiking bag that I'm gonna bring. Oh, there's also a rain cover at the bottom. Maybe it's not waterproof. So there's like a little rain cover that you can put over your bag, which I might need because it's supposed to rain this weekend. And I just noticed this. I haven't really taken time to look at it. There's also like reflective pieces on it so that if you're hiking at night, which you shouldn't be, people will be able to see you. So cute bag. I'll link it down below, and after I get back from my trip, I'll let you guys know what I think about it and how it worked for me when I was hiking. Okay, switch to my vlogging camera. So I am going to bring these are Skechers. They're like dupes for Chacos because I ain't spending $100 on Chacos. These are my hiking boots. These are from Columbia. I found them in the clearance section. They are waterproof, have ankle support, good grips. I wore these in Utah and I absolutely love them. I only paid like $30, and hiking boots can be very expensive. So these two are going in my carry-on bag. I always put my shoes in grocery bags because having the bottoms of your shoes touch your clean clothes is just gross. And I bring a couple extra bags for dirty clothes. Here I have like laid out my going there on the plane outfit, just like a t-shirt, my gray leggings, and then let me get my other shoes. And then on the plane going there, I'm just gonna wear these are my running shoes. These are the brand Allbirds. Okay, so my goal is to fit all of this and my shoes into this bag right here. This is the like maximum or the standard size for a carry-on, and then I am going to be bringing a personal item, which is gonna be this backpack over here from Bays. And so in this backpack, I'm gonna bring my laptop, my toiletries, like chargers, all that stuff is going to go in here. So everything else needs to fit in here. So let me see what I can do, and let's see if I need to possibly remove any items. Okay, I did it, and I actually still have some room left. So I have my sandals, hiking backpack, my hiking shoes here, and all of my clothes fit on this side. I have a little bit of room left, so I actually might put my toiletries in there because I know that this backpack is going to get pretty full. This is the water bottle. Actually, I need to see if this even fits on the side of this backpack. I have not checked that because this is a really like thick water bottle, and I don't know if these little pockets will hold it. Let's see. Yeah, these do not. Oh, let's see. Oh, it actually does fit. Okay. So it does fit, but if I bring this, I feel like it's just gonna make the weight really off balance. I don't know. But it would be dumb to have two giant water bottles and a water pack. Yeah, I might just bring it. So I'm gonna put this water bottle in my carry-on backpack. Okay, sorry that you guys can hear my washing machine. Let me just show you really quickly what I'm bringing. I've talked about this Black Girl sunscreen so much on my channel. I love it, and I had to buy a new one, so I'm bringing fresh tube of that. Just a random lotion. I found like a travel lotion. My face cleanser is from First Aid Beauty, and then I'm charging up my toothbrush. I always charge it before I go on trips. What else am I going to bring? So I'm actually not going to really pack this until tomorrow because I need some of this stuff, but I'm going to have, of course, some deodorant. Going to bring a giant hair clip, 2 scrunchies, and then this is the thing that I usually use. Actually, there's a different one. It still has stuff in it from last time. So I have, like, you know, the basic stuff. I got these smaller ones from Amazon, so I put my glycolic acid, doesn't want to focus, and I use my label maker to label them. And so this is my ordinary glycolic acid that I bring. I don't really do a whole lot when I travel. I'm not going to bring any makeup as well. And then typically I use my Sensodyne, but I have like a little travel, just a basic Crest one. I'm gonna bring this cute mini Vaseline. I always bring this Dr. Bronner's with me. I use it as body wash. And then, oh, I also, not sure if it's TMI, I always am about to start my period whenever I go on trips, so I'm gonna bring some pads and tampons with me. That's pretty much it. I am gonna put some of my hair product in a little to-go container. This is just Rizos Curls deep conditioner that I use in my hair. That's pretty much it for toiletries. So this bag right here, let me just double check. Yeah, so I can stuff that one in here. Actually, it might be a tight squeeze. So my socks and underwear are in here. I might move them to this hole right here. And that is gonna be my carry-on bag. Okay, so those are the things that I'm packing. I'm also gonna bring bug spray, sunglasses, all that stuff. All of the most important stuff, so like my laptop, iPad, chargers, stuff like that is going to be in my backpack my personal item, because you never know, like if the plane is full and they make you check in your carry-on bag. So everything important, my camera equipment, I'm going to bring this. I cannot talk. My camera equipment, my Polaroids, all of my most valuable or most breakable things are going to be in that personal item backpack with me. So if you guys want to see how my trip goes, my next video is going to be my trip to the Grand Canyon, Sedona, Arizona. They're all in Arizona. Phoenix, Sedona, and Grand Canyon National Park. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, I would have hit 14,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Also, look how clean I'm cleaning my sheets. All that good stuff. The floor is freshly mopped. Everything is so nice and clean. That will get cleaned. I cleaned all the dishes, the counter. This is just a nice clean apartment. I hate coming back to a mess. My laundry is done. Your girl is ready for Arizona.